Salam and warm greetings from New Zealand. This is Asif Muhammad from Indus Valley, Pakistan. Pakistan's water crisis, a looming catastrophe. Water. It is the lifeblood of our planet. We drink it, we cook with it, we use it to grow our food. Without water, there is no life. This essential resource is becoming increasingly scarce in Pakistan. The country is facing a water crisis of catastrophic proportions. The situation is dire, but it is not hopeless. By understanding the challenges and taking swift action, Pakistan can avert disaster and secure its water future. This is a story of survival, of a nation grappling with an existential threat. It is a story that demands our attention. The Indus River is the lifeline of Pakistan. Flowing down from the Himalayas, it irrigates the country's breadbasket and provides water for millions. But this vital artery is under threat. After the Indian regime violated the Indus Treaty, India started the war. Upstream, India is constructing dams at an alarming rate. These dams are choking the flow of water downstream, leaving Pakistan with a dwindling supply. The Indus Waters Treaty, a landmark agreement signed in 1960, was supposed to ensure equitable water sharing between the two countries. However, recent geopolitical tensions have put the treaty's future in jeopardy. While India's actions are a major contributor to Pakistan's water woes, the country's own political leadership must also be held accountable. Decades of mismanagement, corruption, and short-sighted policies have exacerbated the crisis. Water infrastructure projects have been neglected. Water conservation efforts have been inadequate. The result is a country ill-prepared to face the growing water scarcity. This lack of foresight is now coming back to haunt Pakistan, threatening its very survival. The people of Pakistan deserve better. They deserve leaders who understand the gravity of the situation and are willing to take bold action. If current trends continue, Pakistan faces a bleak future. Water shortages will cripple agriculture, leading to food insecurity and economic collapse. Millions will be forced to flee their homes in search of water. The social fabric of the country will be torn apart. The threat of conflict, both internal and external, will increase. This is not a future that anyone wants to see, but it is a future that is all too possible if nothing changes. The time for complacency is over. The time for action is now. The challenges facing Pakistan are daunting, but they are not insurmountable. By taking decisive action, Pakistan can still secure its water future. The first step is to invest in water infrastructure. This includes building new dams and reservoirs, improving irrigation systems, and modernizing water management practices. The second step is to raise public awareness about the crisis and encourage water conservation. Every citizen has a role to play in conserving this precious resource. The third step is to engage in constructive dialogue with India to find a sustainable solution to the water sharing issue. The future of Pakistan depends on it. The international community must also step up and provide support to Pakistan in its hour of need. This is not just a Pakistani problem, it is a global challenge that requires a global response. The world cannot afford to stand by and watch as one of its most populous nations, Pakistan, teeters on the brink. Now is the time for do or die. The nation of Pakistan should push hard on the current regime to make it possible that the Indian regime would respect the Indus Treaty. Otherwise, the nation will be in a real quagmire and have a hard time for survival. Long live Pakistan!